Look at this.
You go.
Supposing it is on the main road, what do you think would have happened? Look at that.
Aja mama. Aja mama.
See? All this on our roofs. It's serious. So you see, look at this particular bus. This is an oven bus, and it is popularly known as Trotro. Yes, this is popularly known as Trotro, and it conveys people, it carries people from one point to another, and it's a commercial car or commercial vehicle. It is a passenger car, and look at what is happening. They are trying to stop it, or it's that the car has failed brake. The brake is not working. When they applied the brake, it's not working, and so they have to stop it. They have to use manpower by force to stop it, and it's not stopping. And so what they have to do to use something to choke it or to stop it. They were trying to use stones to stop it. It didn't work. So you see, supposing this car happened to be on the road, can you imagine what will happen? Or supposing someone is standing by the roadside and this mini bus is, is speeding, and it gets to where the person is, but it cannot stop. What do you think will happen? Most of these trotros or these commercial minibuses, most of them are rickety. They are, in fact, they are old cars. Some of them have been in existence for so many years, and so they have serious issue with their brakes. Very very serious issues. Their brakes are not good. Their brakes are not effective. You see, but they are still on the road. We are looking at them. Authorities are just looking at them. Look at what was happening. You see, supposing it is on the road and it is speeding, what do you think will happen? What do you think will happen? And supposing there are people standing by the roadside and this minibus try to apply the brake, and the brake has failed. The brake is not working. The car is not stopping, or the vehicle is not stopping. What do you think will happen? What do you think? It will just crash those standing by the roadside, or it will just run into the people. You see, and so you have to do something. Some of these cars must be taken off the road. They have outlived their purpose. They have been old. Some of them have been in existence for so many years, 40 years, 30 years, and more, and they're still on the road. They have serious issues with their brakes.